Yo, what's up guys? So, isang ulang hapon sa inyong lahat. So in this video, i-breakdown natin yung trade setup na ginawa natin kagabi, which help us manage to make around 100 plus dollar. Okay, so yeah, i-breakdown natin why I take the trade, nasan yung stop loss ko, nasan yung take profit. So yeah, without further ado, let's proceed to the chart.
Alright, so right now guys, nandito tayo sa chart ni EURUSD, and before we proceed siguro, i-remove muna natin itong mga drawings natin. Okay, so kung napanood yung mga previous video ko, yun naman, alam niyo naman siguro kung paano ako nagbumark ng mga key zones ko guys, no? So I mark my key zones sa mga wicks, okay? Like for example here, mamarkahan natin to, this is the wicks. Alright, so we have another wick here on top. Kapag just in case mabasag niya, magkakaroon na tayo ng momentum pataas. Okay? So sa mga previous video ko, breakdown ko rin to, yung setup na to, and kung paano mag top down analysis. Okay? But yesterday, we have a trade here kay EURUSD, which we managed to make around 100 plus dollar sa trade na yon. But before that, no, bago nangyari yung trade natin, so tinitingnan ko yung galaw ng market kahapon, and I saw this movement. So sa 1 hour tayo nag-take ng trade guys, no. I see this movement yesterday kay EURUSD. So right after this move, this trend line, no, nang nabasag niya to, this bearish engulfing, I decided to take a trade here. Okay? So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo sa MT5 guys, no, yung trade result na ginawa natin, just to prove to you na tinake up natin yung trade na to. So I take a trade here, short position right after this bullish engulfing dito sa area na pala na to, and then my stop loss just right here, 20 pips yung stop loss natin kasi we are making around 0.1 lots. Okay, and then ang target natin is just 40 pips. Okay, ito yung target natin, 40 pips, which is happy na tinamaan niya yung take profit. Sana, kaya lang guys, no, close ko yung trade na to. So mamaya may kita nyo rin dun sa trade result na meron tayong sell, which is close ko siya earlier. Nung makita ko to guys, no, nagkakaroon ng movement pataas. Itong i-remove muna natin to. Nung makita ko to, itong green bullish candle na to, nag-anticipate ako na bagang magtuloy-tuloy na siya pataas o mag-reverse ng move ng market, magkaroon siya ng movement na ganito na magtuloy-tuloy na siya kasi nga nasa area na tayo, nasa key zone na tayo, which eventually kapag nasa mga key zone area na yung price ng market, nagkakaroon siya ng reaction. It's sometimes nagkakaroon na siya ng, right after this impulsive move, nagkakaroon siya ng reversal pataas, which is possible na magkaroon na continuation sa overall trend niya, which is bullish. Okay, this is just itong movement na to, para sa akin, this is just a retracement ng bullish movement, no? Retracement ng bullish movement, itong move na to. Kung titingnan natin sa 4-hour time frame, this is just a reversal, no, ng bullish movement. So right now nandito tayo sa key zone, naglalaro. So medyo hesitant ako to hold the position. Nung nakita ko siya nagkakaroon ng bullish candle, so close ko ng mas maaga yung trade. Na-close ko siya ng mas maaga yung trade na to, and eventually na-hit niya yung take profit natin. Now, dyan yung take profit natin. If we go up to monthly, so meron tayong minamarkahan guys, no. For example, this month, you see this week, minarkahan natin yan, which is possible na i-hit pa rin ng market ng price bago magkaroon ng movement na sa overall trend niya, which is bullish. So, just in case basagin niya to, then we have a different bias, okay? But right now, we still bullish bias dito kay EURUSD. So, as you can see, if we go down to 1 hour time frame, tinamaan nga niya guys, no? Yung horizontal line na nilagay natin, which is we should have made profit around $40. That is just a $40 trade lang naman. So nung makita ko siya guys, nung nag-touch dito, I automatically, actually nakahiga na ako guys, no, and I automatically open my computer, and then nakita ko nga siya naglalaro dito sa area na to, and nagkaroon ng ganitong movement. Nagkaroon ng strong movement, which is pumapasok na yung mga buyers. Nagkaroon ng strong movement. So right after matapos tong candlestick na to, I take a position here. I take long position sa area na to, and then stop loss 30 pips, stop loss just right here below. Kasi ang nasa isip ko, ang mindset ko, just in case na bumaba pa rin to, no? It means mali ako and I should be out of the trade para at least malilesen natin yung loss natin. Okay? And then ang target natin is around $60 yung trade natin. Yung 60 pips yung target natin. Okay? So, bakit hanggang dito lang? There's a high probability guys no na tamaan niya pa rin tong area na to. So, we have a zone here na pwede niya pa rin balikan. Kasi, as you can see here guys, no, if this area, na-mitigate niya tong area na to, no, inakyat niya to, etong sumunod na candle, at nag-touch siya dito, there's a possibility na hindi niya babalikan tong zone na to. Kaya lang, hindi niya binalikan, nagkaroon siya ng strong bearish movement na sunod-sunod na candlestick. So, at the back of my mind, I'm thinking na possible balikan niya tong area na to. So, I take a trade, pero we only risk, so nag-low risk lang tayo guys, no? Malit lang yung nilagyan natin trade dito, just 0.1 lot. Pero we make 2 positions sa trade na to. So, stop loss natin just below, just in case mali tayo, malit lang yung malulus atin. And just in case na tama tayo, we made around 2R sa trade na to. That's 60 pips and equivalent to $60. But we made 2 trades, so we managed to make around $100+ sa trade na yan. Okay? And then right after, mag-take ako ng position, I close the chart and I go to sleep. And then, kinamagahan pagising ko, na-hit na yung take profit natin. Okay? So, punta naman tayo guys no, sa chart natin sa MT5. And as you can see here, ito yung tinake up natin na trade. Ito yung sell natin na tinake up. This is the sell yesterday. And then, close ko siya ng mas maaga. Lang tayo guys, nag-profit lang tayo ng $1. 80 cents sa trade na yun. Close natin siya almost break even. And ito yung trade natin, which we managed to make around $60, $63 and $60. That is around $120+ total profit last night. No? Pagising ko minamagaan na ito yung take profit natin. So, yeah. So, yun lang naman guys, no, yung breakdown natin sa trade setup na to. So, yun nga lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo guys, no, know your setup guys, no. Kung meron kayong strategy na sinusunod, i-follow nyo lang yan. So, walang 100% profitable strategy. Lahat yan naglo-lose. I-master nyo yung strategy na yan kasi yan yung tutulong sa inyo guys, no, na ma-achieve yung goal nyo sa larangan na to na pag-trade. Kasi hindi mo ma-master ang isang bagay kung papalit-palit ka ng strategy. Okay? Kung meron kang strategy na tingin mo naman profitable, nagawa mo na makapag-profit dyan, ituloy-tuloy mo lang dyan. Aralin mo yung weakness niya, aralin mo yung strength niya. And then eventually, mamamalayan mo na lang kapag umaharap ka sa chart, mas malinaw mo nang nakikita yung galaw ng market. Gamit yung strategy na meron ka. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video guys. No? And thank you so much for watching and God bless sa lahat and happy trading.